from the local government. They may have been this and that. And they say, while they were there, they were able to do this and that. That is why everything is being done to bring Felix Ogba down. But nobody can bring anybody down. Anybody that God has raised, you cannot bring him down. It doesn't matter how many of them there are. It doesn't matter how many meetings they can hold. They will not succeed. They will not succeed. It is not about today. You praise wicked. Heaven and earth knows. Without wicked, this and that. The next day, wicked must go. It is not going to work. The grace I carry, you cannot bring me down. Your name is Yahweh. I'm not the most handsome person, but as it pleases God, He's able to put me where I am. And so anybody wasting his time to plot against me, you are plotting against yourself.
They will not succeed.
You should go and check history. Those who plotted, what happened to them?
They failed.
They all failed. Do you understand me?
Woefully.
You must be a man of character. For the so-called is a man of character.
Man of integrity.
Do you know why he was denied chairmanship? Today, I see those that he brought to me. I see small rats. Who were nothing. They don't even know what their parents' name are. They don't even know where they are living. He brought them to me. Today, I see them opening their mouth, talking about Buddha. I don't say, this word, that's what it be. This word, that's what it be. So I want this opportunity to apologize to all of you. To Oba Ebonandori for taking a decision that hurts you. I'm sorry. You know, their judgment may not be right all the time. But I'm a human being. I will make mistakes. But what's important is for you to realize that you have made a mistake and apologize to the people.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.